Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by clearing distractions and gathering access. Close extra tabs and identify the pop-up message text so you can trace its source. Next, open Chrome and go straight to Settings, then Privacy and Security. This is where controls live. Make sure you have administrator access or your device password handy because some changes require confirmation. Once done, you're ready to move into site controls and extensions to remove the offending behavior rather than just hiding it. Now you take targeted action. Open site settings and set pop-ups and redirects to block so Chrome stops automatic windows. Then go to extensions and disable or remove anything you don't recognize, especially extensions installed just before the pop-up started. After that, clear cookies and site data for sites that triggered ads to remove persistent permissions or scripts. Make sure to restart Chrome after each removal so you can confirm whether the pop-ups have stopped and detect any persistent source. Finish by running Chrome's cleanup tool or a trusted anti-malware scan to remove hidden adware. This finds processes that extensions won't show. If pop-ups persist, use Settings Reset and Clean Up Restore settings to their original defaults to remove stubborn configuration changes. Make sure to test in an incognito window or a fresh Chrome profile to confirm the issue is gone. If pop-ups continue, the troubleshooting tip is to check other installed browsers and the operating system for adware, because some infections live outside Chrome.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.